Introducing Springvale's insulated floor system for suspended ground floors. Beamshield Topsheet. Our partnered T-beam manufacturers produce a T-beam layout designed to accommodate the span and loadings required by the floor. A DPC ribbon and vents are placed as usual. The T-beams are then installed according to the design, in single, double or triple rows as required. Packets of the Beamshield units are clearly labelled for easy identification on site. A handy Beamshield app can be downloaded to smartphones for easy access to panel and installation information whilst on site. Installation begins with starter end units being placed along the first row, flat against the inner leaf of blockwork. Panels are placed end to end until the row has been fully filled with insulating polystyrene. Subsequent rows are filled with Beamshield panels, between the beams filling each row across the floor. Where a panel needs to be cut to complete a row, this is easily done by hand with a saw. Where the T-beam layout design specifies a reduced centre between beams, this is filled with a Beamshield half panel or variable width board, again fitting between the beams, end to end, to complete the row. The location of any service pipes is measured. The corresponding penetration is cut by hand with either a saw or a suitable coring tool. The bay is finished using corresponding Beamshield panels. The final row is completed using starter end units. Subsequent bays are completed following the design, filling rows with infill panels. Again, units are cut by hand to complete the row. Suitable offcuts are placed into the floor as the installation proceeds, reducing waste. With the final infill piece being placed, installation can move on to the placing of the top sheets of high-density polystyrene. Again, penetrations can be cut by hand, easily allowing access to the corresponding surfaces below. The entire floor is covered in the large EPS sheets, fitted together to quickly complete the thermal envelope, eliminating cold bridging. The completion of the Beamshield Topsheet system can be achieved up to 25% more quickly than a traditional block and beam floor. Thanks to the lightweight polystyrene blocks, the installation has been low impact, removing the health and safety risks associated with the manual handling of traditional blocks. Any required membrane can now be placed on top of the Beamshield floor, ready to receive the concrete topping. The system is certified for use with a choice of reinforced finishes, all of which are NHBC accepted.
It's simple to use, it's very lightweight, we much prefer using it over the blockwork, and there's very little waste.